we're going to talk about your launch playbook. That could be launching a new course, new consulting offer, whatever you have. Step number 1 is know your ideal target audience. You need to know what they're struggling on and how you can help them and why your solution is the best one. Think about what solutions are they already aware of? What gap are you uniquely positioned to fill? So Peloton is really good at this, right? They capitalized on the home fitness shift at exactly the right moment because they were paying attention to what their market needed. And you can do the same at your scale. Step 2, know your competition. Do a competitive scan before you launch anything new. Who else is offering something similar? What are they charging? What are the gaps? You're not going to copy anyone, right? You're just going to be looking at positioning, and that way you can figure out your offer and what you need to be selling. Step 3, define your launch objectives. Like, do you want to sign 5 clients at $2,000 each within 30 days? Something like that. You want to have your objectives clear. Step 4, build your pre-launch runway. Going from 0 to open door with no warm-up is the biggest launch mistake people make. 2 to 4 weeks of content that speak directly to the problem your offer solves. You need to make sure you have transformation stories and that type of thing. You kind of like building anticipation before you even do the first sell. Step 5, nail your positioning before you write a single piece of launch content. What is the transformation your offer delivers? Who is it specifically for? What makes it different? Why now? Answer these clearly and your launch content almost writes itself. And step number 6, choose your channels strategically. Your email list is always your primary launch channel. But then you can look at social, which social, do you want to do ads, that type of thing. You can even look at partnerships, right? If you don't know, then always just go where your audience is. That's the best. And step number 7, build your launch content sequence. Week 1, pre-launch, the problem your offer solves. Week 2, pre-launch, your methodology and approach. Week 3, pre-launch, social proof and transformation stories. Then you have launch week, doors open, clear calls to action, genuine urgency, but only if you have a real reason for it. Don't make it up. And follow up for everyone who showed interest but hasn't committed. Step 8, optimize your conversion path before you drive traffic to it. Does your sales page actually convert? Is the copy clear? Is the call to action obvious? Is it mobile friendly? A surprising number of solopreneurs drive launch traffic to a page they've never tested and then blame the marketing when nothing converts. Step 9, prepare your follow-up strategy in advance. Who gets what after each action? Someone who visits the sale page but doesn't buy? Like, what emails do they get? Someone who books a discovery call but doesn't convert? What's the follow-up sequence? Build this before the launch, not in the middle of it. And step 10, do a post-launch review within 1 week of closing. What were your numbers? What worked? What didn't work? What could you have done differently? Write it all down. You're going to launch again, and every launch should be smarter than the last. All right. I wish you nothing but the best for everything that you're working on. You got this, my friend. And if you need somebody in your corner, go to my website. I do group consulting and I do one-on-one consulting. I also have some courses on there, but I'm here to help. So whatever you need, just let me know. You can also book a discovery call. All right. See ya.